How to show different blog posts on different pages in WordPress. Herein you can see this is my blog page and I have these three blogs here. But I have another page in fast weight loss. I want this fast weight loss blogs on that page, and that I can, but I also want to keep my blogs here, other blogs. So I can do it on different pages. I can post blogs. So there's an option. So what you need to do, you need to go to your blog section here. You can go to your post section here, click on category and create a new category. Like I have created here fast weight burn. You can give any name, click on add category. So it is created now. I now go back to my post section, click on all posts, and herein I want this two posts. Click on quick edit and you need to select here category. You can uncategorize as of now. Just tag on this fast weight burn, click on update. For other one as well, you need to select category. So whenever you upload anything, make sure to select category. So click on just save. Whenever you create a category, you will get a specific category link. This is my specific category link. I will just copy this link, and I want this thing on my fast. So I want this on my fast weight loss page. As of now it is blank, so I want these blogs on my fast weight loss. So what I need to do, I need to go to menu. For this I need to go to appearance and click on menu. So now you need to go do one thing. You just need to click on this category option and click on this fast weight burn category. Click on add menu. Very simple. Just add that category to your menu and just drag it here, fast weight loss. So it is the sub item of fast weight loss. Just click on save menu and that's it. Everything is now done. So whenever I go to my blogs, my all blogs will show up here. So these all my blogs are showing up. Whenever I go to this fast weight loss, you can see sub page is showing. Just tap on this sub page and everything will my subcategory of specific these two weight loss pages will show up here. This is specific. You can see now two pages are showing under this weight loss. So I have created a specific page for this subcategory, so it is very easy. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you face any problem, you can mention it that in comment section. I'll make sure to give a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.